Alright everybody, today is laundry day. I have a total of 24 pieces to get in this bag. You will receive a voucher for $19.95. It says, it's going to say fill the bag. So you can put as many pieces as you can fit in one bag, laundry bag, for $19.95. So basically, I'm gonna get 24 pieces of clothing washed for $19.95. But you have to wait till they put the voucher inside the cabin. Like, it's gonna be on like maybe the third day of the cruise that you're gonna receive a voucher that's gonna say $19.95. Fill the bag. So however many pieces of clothes you can get in one laundry bag, $19.95. So for 24 pieces, it's not a bad deal. Alright, so we're going to see, can we fit all these clothes in this one, this one bag. I think I can do it. Alright, let's check it out. The clothes are in the bag. We have 24 mixed items of clothing in the bag, so you can fit 24 pieces of mixed clothing in the laundry bag that you get from Norwegian. It's a little bit bigger than the bag that Carnival offers. So just give you an idea, I think with Carnival I can only get about 18 mixed pieces of clothing. Norwegian you can get about, I say, 24 to 26. I guess depends on your body size, But it can happen. That little bag can hold a lot of clothes. Alright, we're going to see what's happening in Honduras, and I'll get with y'all later.